this is my dad's 57 Chevy.
It's been sitting since October.
October.
And it's May.
So that's
late. And we're gonna show, see this right here? That's a FiTech system. We're gonna show how good that thing starts. So this has been sitting for what, 6-7 months? Yeah. But I gotta put the battery in first. Now turn it one click. Fuel pump to turn. Now you just gotta turn that key a little bit more until you hear it start. Yeah, you just gotta hold it longer. Look at that! Coolant. We got oil pressure. Cool, dude. That's not bad for sitting for 6 months, huh?